Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have here brand new M3 computation. So in this video I will show you how to remove this side vent. I already removed this side. Let me go to the other side to show you how to do it. We're gonna do the satin PPF on this beauty.
Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change.
Okay, this is the side vent from the other side. If you thinking it's this way, it's having the 3 white tab. You have to push those in and then it's gonna come out. I'm gonna show you how to do it. You need the something like trim remover and then flat screwdriver. Okay, one. Other one. It's very hard to see. Let me see it. Okay. This one, put it here. So to get the more room. Let's see. Okay. And then another one. This 3 tab you need to remove, and then with you the tape, nothing happened. That's how you can remove the side vent for the new M3 and M4 G body. I hope you like it.